Okay, the challenge is you're going to put your hands here. Okay, and then guess nyo kung ano ang object na nandoon sa loob ng box. Pero, kailangan tatakpan natin yung mata ninyo. You cannot see what's inside the box. You're going to guess. Okay?
Okay.
Understand, Jariel? Understand, Kuya? Okay, let's start. Una muna si Kokoy. What's inside the box? What's that? Huwag mo kukuhanin! Ang daya mo na! What's inside the box? What's inside the box? What's that? Can you guess what's inside the box?
It's surprise!
What's this? What do you think it is? Ano siya? No, look! Ang daya mo, anak! Okay, let me have your hand, Kuya. Ayan, sige ha. Angat mo lang. Wag mong ilalabas ng box. Oh, what is that?
It's a mirror.
It's a mirror. Oh, sige. Check it out kung tama. Tama. You got one. Mo yung kamay niya. Ayan, guess mo lang ha. What's inside the box? Oh, what is that? What is that? No, cheating.
Not cheating.
What is that? Ano yun? What's that?
Mess.
Very good. Let's see. Yay! Put the hands. Okay, guess what is inside?
Tissue.
Tissue. Okay, check it out. You got 2 points. Kuya. No cheating. What is that?
It's a tracker.
What? What's that? No. What's that? Charger.
Mama, my turn.
Right. Picture.
It's missing.
Okay, what it is?
It's a clip.
Clip? Check it out. Alam na alam mo yan. You're correct. What?
It's a shade.
Alam na alam mo ha? Yeah, it's your turn. What is that?
It's a feather.
Do you think it's a feather? Hindi ba chicken yan?
It's a feather.
Okay, check it out.
Mama.
That's a chicken, that's a feather. Go down yung hands. What is that?
It's a tissue.
What?
It's a coconut.
Ang Kokoy! No!
It's a candy.
It's wrong. Cocorn. That's not a cocorn, that's a candy. Okay. No, don't mention.
It's a pencil.
Check it out.
It's a pencil.
Sige, check mo. 5 points na si Kuya! What's that?
Okay.
What?
It's a berry.
Okay, let's check it out.
A berry.
Yay! You can put your hands na.
Put my hands, Kokoy.
Okay, what is that,
A towel.
Kuya? Towel? Oh, check it out. It's a towel! Okay.
What is the crayon? Crayon.
What's that?
A crayon.
Daya ni Kuya eh.
It's a crayon.
Goodbye ba kayo? Did you enjoy the game?
Yep.
What's inside the box?
Papa.
How about you, Jariel? Did you enjoy it, the challenge?
Yeah.
How about you, Kuya?
Yep.
Okay, that's it. Wait, ano nakasulat?
Momoy and Kokoy.
Okay, is that for you?
Yes.
Okay, open it.
Yeah. Just jump.
What's that?
Play-Doh.
No?
Play. Santa.
Okay. Yes.
Let's go to the beach!
Let's go to the beach. No, we're not going to the beach. Okay. Look at him. Oh, alam niya. Napapano na siguro sa mga toys.
Okay, now we want to put 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. Ta-da!
Are you happy, Jariel? Jariel, are you happy with your prize?
Uh-oh.
Jariel? Hindi na ako pinansin. What are you doing?
I need Jackson.
Okay. How about you, Kuya? Are you happy with your prize?
Yep.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Diyan lang ha. Huwag mong magkakalag. Diyan lang ang area.
And done. Put it like tak-tak. Put it like this. Like this. Kokoy, Mama, turo mo si Kokoy.
Ano po?
Yung ganito.
You can do that, Kokoy. Follow mo si Kuya, oh.
I know.
Yan.
Tapos,
Use the molders. Oh. Use the molders.
and book.
Ayun, ang galing ni Kuya, oh. Oh. You can do it, Kokoy. Try it. Yan. Yay! Oh, ang galing ko, Kuya.
Ow!
Okay, do another one.
I can make, I don't know what is this, Mama. Ano to?
Hindi ko rin alam ano ito eh.
Finding.
Basta molder din yan, anak.
Okay, I'm gonna put it. Just wait seconds. And I'm gonna put the place. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1.
Galing nga! Oh, you can do it also. Jeriel.
Help kita, help kita. Help kita, diba?
Hayaan mo siya na. Para ano, he can do it on his own. Hayaan mo lang.
Mama, look, this is different than the pink sa loob, tapos green. Mine is all blue.
It's okay. That's your favorite, di ba? Blue?
Opo. Pero hindi ko favorite yellow eh. Pero,
It's okay lang para kita dun sa ano mo.
Pero favorite ko naman din. Martin. Oh, not like that. Destroy the coco. Destroy the sand. Oh no! Oh no! I think no, like this. Ganito. Papa, ganito.
Oh.
Yeah. Destroy the sand. Just like good.
Nice, that's nice.
Destroy the sand. Oh no!
Create fun memories with your kids. Every little time you spend with them having fun leaves a happy memory on their childhood.